I don't know what happened here, but there's this big, huge snowstorm thing. I can't even see across the street. Just blew our garbage cans over. And things being blown across the street down the way. Where'd this wind come from? I don't know. It is crazy. I'm like, I can't even see past that street light. I'm just getting the garbage and recycling because it was blowing away. I mean, look, it blew down my green. That's the highway. You can see. You can't see there. Look at the fog of the snow. Oh my goodness, where did this come from? This is crazy freaking weather. Well, like you can't even see the traffic of the highway over there. That's my Christmas lights. But I just put the bin over here so it doesn't get blown away. But wow, like I just came out here in my PJs here because this weather was blowing stuff around, and I mean I can't just believe. Like you've seen my videos, and you can see. We could usually see pass across the street, but we can't see the highway. Like this is crazy. And it just blew our door open. It wasn't locked, but my door just blew open. Just putting our things in the shed so they don't blow away. But look. Wow. Like that's the school, that's the high school. You can't even see the building. You see the tree barely, but not the building. Wow, holy crap. This is crazy. Now I'm going inside.